constructed this kind.
Yeah, I did.
Mr. Bright,
I have it.
naniniwala ka ba
Right.
merong existing syndicate within DPWH
I had a few bites.
where ang mga USEC, ang mga DE, ang mga RD involved, and they are complicit in the practice of ghost project and repetition of title of projects every NEP, no?
Getaway
So that
cars, the Mustang
millions of
Shelby
government
GT500.
funds
Shelby's have a rear
will be
super wide
dispersed.
tire specific to that
Naniniwala ka
model.
ba
12
na
inches
mayroong
with asymmetrical
existing
tread.
syndicate sa loob ng DPWH?
There's something else.
Your
Mr.
Honor, in my own opinion, base lang po to dun sa nakikita ko, yes po, Your
Fecal
Honor.
excrement.
Meron po.
Animal, I'd guess.
Kasama ka ba doon?
Dad gave me that pen.
Ako po,
Before he died.
gaya po ng sinabi ko, hindi po ako
Sorry.
kumikilos ng hindi alam ng boss ko. Kumbaga lahat po
So,
ito utos sa
sino
akin ng
ang
boss
boss
ko.
mo?
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po.
Sabihin, kasama si Henry Alcantara sa sindikato ng DPWH.
Hey, I am ready
Sa pagkakaalam ko po,
to see this
opo.
Adam Smasher smashing.
Okay,
There was a shooting
meron
today.
ka ba mga ilang pangalan na
Your dad needs me
pwede
to
mo
process
sabihin
some
sa amin?
evidence,
Kung sino-sino
which
ang
means I
involved
don't
yan?
know if we're going to be able to
Wala
make it to
USEC.
Star Labs.
Seeing this thing turn on is like your dream. Your
Ang
sad little
madalas ko
nerdy
po
dream.
kasing naririnig sa
I
kanya,
canceled a date
si
for this.
Yusek Robert
Hands off my
Bernat.
fries. Unbelievable.
Diba?
I'm stress eating over
Wala
my
po.
dissertation.
Yun po ay sinasabi,
We started
ang
selling
sinasabi
coronas and
niya
jitters.
about
I
sa
hate
mga
you today.
senatorial
I don't
funds.
graduate soon. I'm
Ibig
gonna move on
sabihin,
to
lahat ng kanyang sinabi
You look
kanina
amazing.
ay kasinungalingan.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's
Okay.
so important about this particle accelerator
Okay
anyway?
na ba yung picture natin?
Harrison Wells' work in
sinabi
quantum
ni,
theory is light years ahead of
Mr.
anything they're
Wright?
doing it, sir.
You're doing that thing where you're
Mr.
not speaking
Mr. Chair, if
English.
may I?
Engineer Bryce, yes.
Imagine
The picture of the
That
conversation of D.
everything
Alcantara
the human race has ever
and
learned
Senator
until
Joel
this moment.
Villanueva,
Does that
their
include
disappearing
twerking?
messages
That
was taken
is
picture
everything we
by
can learn
one
from
of my
particle
colleagues.
accelerator. It's
So
a
if
whole
I
new way
may,
of looking at physics.
can we
It will literally change the way
ask
that we
him
think
to
about
explain?
everything.
You guys,
Ano yan, Mr. Bright? Mr. Chair?
him alone. He's working.
kinda.
The picture was taken by someone else.
Testing is done.
Labante.
Kaya unang-una, sino nagbigay ng mga
I
yung
think
sa
the Martin
picture na
brothers
yan,
hiding on a
napapakita mo?
The fecal
Sino
matter I
ang
found on the
involved
street
dyan?
was
Ikaw
cow
ba?
manure, which
O
contained
si Mr.
traces of
Alcantara?
oxytetracycline.
Si Mr. Alcantara po, kasi po disappearing messages siya, kaya medyo kailangan mabilis pong pagbasa. So, picture na lang po para
Dad,
mabasa
seeing
niya.
as how Barry
Are we
solved
going
the
to allow
problem,
Mr. Chair
how about letting him go
the
to
request
Star Labs?
of Mr. Bright?
Is your colleague with you here today?
I think so, Mr. Chair.
Can you state for the record the name of this person?
Engineer J.P. Mendoza, Your Honor.
JP Mendoza. Engineer JP Mendoza is directed to...
So Barry, how was your trip? Did you find proof of the impossible
take an
in
oath, Mr.
Starling
Chair?
City, or did you just make my dad
Mr. Chair,
mad?
just a
for
clarification. Is Engineer JP Mendoza
Actually,
the one
while
to
I was
explain
away, I
the
had a
context?
chance to think about,
He was the one who made...
relationships.
who took a picture of the
I'm
disappearing
not in
message.
one.
Yes, and he can
You're not in one either.
accurately explain it, Your Honor.
And you're my best friend,
Yes.
We
Iris.
should also,
You're mine
ano,
too.
We will
Also,
administer the
Why
oath to him
are you
before
here?
proceeding.
Yeah, that's not what I meant. What
I
I
know what you're
Is
going to
Engineer
say,
Mendoza
Barry.
here?
I'm not sure you do.
Even though we pretty much grew up in the
Please
same
proceed to
house
the table.
together and we're kind of like brother and sister, because we're not brother
COMSEC
and
is
sister, it
directed
can get
to
really
administer
weird
the
and
oath
awkward
to
talking
Mr.
about
Mendoza.
ghosts, but I just want you to know that it shouldn't be awkward. There is nothing that I want more than for you to meet the right person that totally loves and adores you for the amazing guy that you are.
Mr. Mendoza, please stand up and
Words right out of
raise
my
your
mouth.
right
Oh,
hand.
aren't you glad I knew you so well?
Is Mr. Mendoza present? Please proceed to the table.
Thank you. My name is Harrison Wells.
So that
Tonight,
COMSEC may
the future
administer the
begins.
oath.
The work my team and I will do here.
Sorry, hang in there.
Wait, we're now being told to evacuate the facility. The storm
Yes,
may
Mr.
have
Mendoza
caused a
is here.
malfunction
Please,
in the primary cooling system. Officials are now
COMSEC,
trying
please
to shut
administer the
down the
oath.
particle accelerator, but so far have been unable
Please
to
raise your
regain
right
control
hand.
of the system.
We solemnly affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth for this committee.
Okay na yung picture. Okay na yata.
Yes, authorities given to the COMSEC to flash the pictures being referred to. Who will provide the context of the picture? Is it going to be Engineer Hernandez or Engineer Mendoza?
Your Honor, this picture was taken in the place of our friends. So, meron pong kasunod na picture yan na makikita nyo po na puro pera lang ang laman.
So maybe you can identify the people in the picture first so that we can have more context. Who are the personalities involved, and are these personalities named by anyone in the course of the inquiry already? Sino po yung mga nasa litrato?
They are previous employees of Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po yung itong mga ito? Mga pangalan, kailangan ko magbigay ng pangalan.
Dating Assistant District Engineer po Rafaelito Marcelo, dati pong Maintenance Chief Ernesto Daos, Planning Chief Ernesto Galang, Administrative Officer Evelyn De Jesus, Chief Ruben Santos ng Materials and Testing, at yung accountant po namin na si Jun Mendoza, si Basic Engineer Henry Alcantara po ang aming boss, saka po si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Would it be possible kung may isa-isa, kaya bang ma-point yung mga faces on the screen?
Okay na yan siguro. I think everyone, the names had been stated already. It's okay, Congresswoman ko. Thank you. Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Hello.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Hindi ko alam din
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Kala ko alam mo eh.
Sorry, we have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
we have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person
na yung
and the occasion
sabi ko dati.
that we are talking about.
Kaso maraming tao yun doon.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa
Malamang.
unang Soler
Dalas
ginawa yung
hindi ko alam
birthday
yun.
mission.
Ang isa binabanggit natin yung Oliver.
And to be very clear who are the personalities,
Bulaluhan.
please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po, at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please.
Okay.
So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara, and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please.
Okay, that's right. No, now that you're awake, we need to do more tests. You're still going through changes. There's so much that we don't
So what
know.
is the context of this picture for the benefit of people that are looking? Can you describe who had taken this picture and kindly explain the context, please?
Kung maalala ko po, ako po ang nagpicture nito. Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera. First time ko po yan. Kaya pinicturean ko, natuwa po ako. And po, that's for inaayos po ni boss yan.
Mr. Sino yung taong yun na naka-blue?
Can you state for the record, sino po yung napicturean na nakatayo sa harap po ng mga pera?
Yung half body po, si Boss Henry Alcantara ko po yan.
Kanino binigay ang pera, Mr. Chair? Kanino binigay ang pera niya?
Sorry. Okay, pakikwento po muna yung what is the context of this picture?
Yan po, ang context po niyan is, kung makikita niyo po, magkakahiwalay po yung pera. Yung mga designated person po na pagbibigyan yan, Your Honor.
So,
Are you okay, Tracy?
Can we,
Yeah, I got it.
can he name them? Kung sino pagbibigyan ng mga pera niya?
So happy to see you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
sino po daw yung pagbibigyan ng mga pera po na yan, supposedly?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ni boss na sa mga...
Alright, next picture please.
Chair. Hindi lang po maklarify saan ang lugar at anong date ng picture na yan.
Saan daw po yung lugar at saan yung date?
Sa office po namin yan, sa Bulacan First District Engineering Office.
Okay, napakalinaw po. May lintak-lintak na salapi sa district office mismo.
Kailan?
Kailan?
I believe mga 2022 po or 2023 yan.
Alright.
Chair, meron namang mga paraan para ma-determine yung precise date. Diba?
I think we will get the metadata of this.
Importante po
For
yun.
submission.
At to clarify, pasensya na po, to clarify lang po, normal po ba sa opisina ng gobyerno, DPWH, na merong ganyang piles of cash, mga transaksyon ng gobyerno? Sa mga regular na transaksyon ng gobyerno.
Please respond, Mr. Engineer Hernandez, please. Alright. Just answer, please. Then we will proceed.
Sa office po namin, normal po yan.
Okay, next picture, please.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify, Mr. Chair,
Okay, Congressman
Pakita nga
Sutay.
isang picture po.
kay Engineer Bryce. Engineer Bryce, yung on the lower right portion, yung picture. We go back to the
Pakibalik
picture.
daw po.
Fine. I just need some air. I'll call you tonight, alright?
Yan, may papel, yung bond paper. Yung bond paper sa may nakasulat. Yan. Ano yan? Rundown ng project ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, mayroon akong tanong kanina.
Right.
Next
picture, please.
Sinabi niya na mayroong nakatoka na tatanggap niyan. Gusto kong malaman kung sino ang mga taong dapat tumanggap niyan. Ano?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung sino. Basta kami po, inuutusan lang po na ayusin yung mga pera. Itong amount na to para sa ganito, ihanda mo dyan, may pagbibigyan yan. Ano lang po, sinesegregate po namin yung mga pera. Yun lang po. And the rest, kagaya nga po ng sabi ko, is politiko po, politiko or yung proponent po, si Boss Henry lang po ang kausap.
Okay, next
Ayan,
picture.
Mr. Chair, para ba yan sa project?
Next picture. Can we explain?
Mr. Chair, para
Congressman
ba yan sa
Abante.
project o sa tao? Ibigay ba yan sa tao o para sa project yan?
Yes.
Please respond.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, ibibigay po yan sa tao. Yung nga po tinatawag na proponent, kausap niya.
For that particular picture, alam po ba natin kung sino ang pagbibigyan?
To be honest, Your Honor, hindi ko po matandaan na.
Alright.
That's way back a couple of years ago na.
Okay, this is a next picture with another set of piles of cash. Ano po yung context nitong litrato pong ito?
Ito po, kung ipinakita nyo, yung nakita po na pinakaunang pictures na marami pong tao, this is the same exact place. So, ibig ko pong sabihin dito, sa tambayan po namin yan eh. So, yan po yung, dyan po pine-prepare yung mga pera na for delivery with regard sa mga proponent na kausap ni Boss Henry Alcantara.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng tambayan? Is this within the building of Bulacan First or is it a different area?
No, private resident po siya na nilagyan po ng bilyaran para we can hang out after office hours, ganun po. Within the vicinity of the of our office.
Ano po yung rinenta ba yan o binili o merong may-ari niyan?
Yes po, meron pong alam ko po kaibigan po ni Boss Henry Alcantara ang may-ari niyan.
Alright. Pero hindi po, first, to be clear, hindi po ito sa building ng Bulacan First.
Yes po, hindi po yan sa building ng DPWH.
At hindi naman din ho si Alcantara ang may-ari, ibang tao.
Hindi po, hindi po si Boss Henry.
Alright.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko tanungin, Engineer Alcantara, tungkol sa mga bagay na yan, ina-accept niya o dinideny niya. At kanina, marami siyang sinabing kasinungalingan eh.
Sige,
Alcantara,
patapusin mo na daw yung mga litrato. Patapusin mo na.
ano ba?
Please, kumpletuhin daw muna natin yung mga litrato. Next slide. Alright. There is a text.
Your Honor,
I think this is a Viber message.
yes, that's disappearing message, Your Honor.
Can you read, Engineer Bryce, the name of the person that is there, that is stated in the Viber message, and the content of the message, please?
Your Honor, if may I recommend Engineer JP Mendoza to read the actual message because he's the one who took the photos personally from our boss Henry Alcantara.
Alright. Sige po, pakibasa na lang po. This is the final slide.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, nagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to. Baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and business persons who are here, who are committed to the truth. No? So the same is the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay nung over 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel na yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaad doon sa context. 4 lang po yung napapicturan sa akin ng boss ko. Parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na mababa lang yung kanyang pondo, subalit siya ang majority floor, siyang majority floor leader siya nung that time and member siya ng commission.
Okay. Thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who you are, who this person is. Is this Senator? Nakalagay na po kasi Sen Joel eh. So, is this the senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Can I help you, Detective?
Alright, can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Having a boyfriend who isn't that.
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec. Parang nakalimutan ba niya? Number 1, Robs sa flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number 2, for his CA, his budget is coming year, etc. He committed sa akin. Pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
I thanked him with a cup of coffee and things just
Right.
kind of happened.
Do we have another slide for us?
And it's
Oh, ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung sec? When dun sa message, you're referring to a sec. Sino yung sec? Secretary. Okay? Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Bakit
Thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Disappearing message po yan. Hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot.
Okay. Kanino pinapicturean?
Okay.
Thank you. The conto basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. Alright, next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can we read for the record? Excuse me po. Can we ayan, second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which was supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinicturan po. Napicturan kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record?
For his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. Committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas saying na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin, boss, bukas, boss. So, can relate to SEC.
Okay, alright, thank you. Next slide.
It's Clyde Martin.
This is another slide which is the same context.
In a plane crash after the Star Labs explosion, but he's alive. Something happened to him that night.
Alright,
I think he can control.
sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide.
They all happened.
Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes, boss. See you po bukas 6 p.m. sa GIL. Majority leader tayo, hindi kong or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
Alright, that is clear. Next slide, please.
I had a few bites of it.
May atraso DPWH sa
I'm sorry,
akin.
I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the 4th picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Taken by, picture taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the context.
May atraso DPWH sa akin. So if he treats me na isa lang issue, eh, he's not respecting me.
Fecal excrement. Animal, I
All right.
guess.
My dad gave me that pen.
All right, next
before
slide.
he died.
Sorry.
Who is this person?
That's from my phone, Your Honor.
Okay, I am ready to see this,
this is,
Adam Smasher smashing.
There was a shooting today.
Maybe
Dad needs me to
nagkabaliktad
process
po.
some
Yung
evidence,
susunod po ang
which
una.
means I don't know if we're going to be able to make it to Star Labs.
Ito po. This was way back 2022.
Sad little nerdy
Time
dream.
when
I canceled a day for
Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, D. Alcantara.
I'm stress eating over my dissertation. We started selling cronuts and
Sinabi niya
jitters.
dito
I
na
ate 2 today.
may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao.
What's so important about this
And
particle
related sa kanya
accelerator
si
anyway?
Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator
Wells' work
Jinggoy.
in quantum theory is light years ahead of anything
Dito po
they're doing at
is
CERN.
conversation,
Excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Miss Beng Ramos to Miss Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.
It's an antibiotic.
Right.
There are only 4 farms in the
Okay.
area that still use it in their feed. Bet you find a really sweet
Sige
Shelby
po.
Park at one of them.
We will give District Engineer Henry Alcantara, before proceeding to the different topic na po, we will give you the right to reply.
Yung pong huling picture,
Thank you, Joe.
wala naman pong binabanggit na ako po yan. Ako po ang kausap. Yung una po, yung kay Senator Joel, ang tanda ko po dyan, nagre-request po siya ng mga multipurpose building sa secretary at that time. Tapos po, nung nandun po kami sa hearing sa Senate,
Actually, while I was
nausap ko
away,
po
I
siya,
had a chance to think
sabi niya,
about,
nagre-request ako kay secretary, papalo up po na lang. Ilan po yan, wala naman po nakalagay dyan na ako may transaction ng financial sa
You're not
kanya.
in one either.
Nagre-request po siya, normal lang po, nagre-request po siya ng multipurpose building, additional po sana, para mailagay po sa Bulacan po. Yun lang po yun.
Even though
Alright,
we
thank
pretty
you.
much grew up in the same house together and we're
Tanong ko lang,
kind
dun sa
of
pera,
like
ano
brother and
explanation
sister,
niya po?
because we're not
Your
brother
Honor,
and
yung
sister,
pera
you
po
get
na yun,
really
nasa bahay na po yun. I think
weird
po,
and awkward
yan po ay pera ng contractor po na nakolekta, nagamit ang ibang lisensya, doon lang po dinala. At nagkatuwaan po na picturean po yun. That's not for the proponent.
All right. Okay, we will proceed. Congressman,
right out of my mouth.
are you finished?
I still have another question for this guy, please. Okay,
Congressman.
okay,
Thank you.